should have tied that on the back rack. You didn't even make it 10 feet.
What the hell's that noise?
Don't worry about it. It's a Honda. And he rolls it over. Going in. Rolls it into the
Oh shit, it's done for.
He's still going. Get him, Drake. Push him, Drake. Push him. Grab on the strap and pull, dog.
I don't think he's going.
He's getting there. He's going.
Sideways.
He doesn't want to get wet.
It's a little Honda that could. There she goes. There she goes. What's the saying, John? Sometimes she goes and that's the way she goes.
Probably a whole lot of oil.
Oh, yeah. What?
Just keep going forward, dude. Oh, way to go.
There's the smoke. Is he trying to go through the pond over there?
He's got his wheels to the left.
Oh.
That's just what's happening down there.
I laugh if he slips and pulls a
The deepest he's ever been. There you go. Hell,
what the hell?
On the front rack. He doesn't get down out or blow up.
I think he's a quart low now, fellas.
I think he's gonna run out of gas before he gets out of it.
Get him, Drake.
Go push, Drake. Your buddy needs you. It sounds like an outboard.
No shit. I'm proud of him.
Oh yes,
No,
Honda's completely submerged in Texas.
No, but they got 10-foot snorkels, I think.
But usually the Honda.
There he goes!
Usually Hondas in Texas are upside down full.
Look at this cracker.
He's using 3/4 a tank of fuel easy on this.
What a dick.
I don't think his tire threw it up.
He knows better. Now that's liquid cooling if I ever seen it. He's making it, I think.
I think he's hung up again.
You're so close!
Hey, is that an Evinrude or a Mercury?
Oh shit.
Come on, it's getting dark.
Hey, Sean would be proud of you.
Yeah. You'd be jealous.
No, Sean, he was fucking relentless. You can do it, bud.
So close. You out of breath yet? It's about to get shallow again.
Take the 700.
If anything, one of us will grab the strap and pull them out. No more four-wheel power to get them out. Let them do it on their own.
Hey, just jump off. Oh, come on, just flip it. Just fucking flip it. Me? Yeah, I know.
Bet he wishes he didn't run the tires off out on the road.
Sorry, bud.
Right here is where I came out.
Just get off to one side real good. You're gonna have to lean it over a little bit. Look at all that oil.
What surprised me?
What are we doing here?
What?
What are we doing?
I fucking wore out. I don't know how.
You got it high or low? There you go, there you go.
Hey, keep leaning this way.
Yeah, you gotta lean it real good. It'll feel like it's gonna tip, but it ain't gonna. Keep leaning some more, just like you're bicycling. Turn the wheel a little to the left.
Uh-oh. Out of gas.
Damn it. Bud, you have no idea how proud I am of you.
Yeah.
No,
We're sending that to Afghanistan.
no shit. We said Sean's gonna be proud of you, bud.
Is it out of gas?
Huh?
Is it out of gas?
I think I put it on the side too much.
He's out of gas.
What happens if you put it on the side?
Well, it probably ran out of fuel.
Ready?
Yeah, right.
Look at it go down.
Would you just look at it? It's gonna pass him.